Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the Hyperwallet account and entering legal entity details. This establishes who will receive funds. Next, attach your tax ID and upload required verification documents so payments won't be delayed. Once done, add bank details exactly as your bank provides: account number, routing or IBAN, and SWIFT. Make sure currency selections match your bank to avoid conversion holds. This front-loaded accuracy prevents verification rejections and speeds the onboarding timeline. Now you configure how funds move. Choose payout methods offered in your region and set a default currency for disbursements. You'll also set minimum payout amounts and the schedule, daily, weekly, or manual, so cash flow aligns with your needs. If you manage many payees, upload a CSV or integrate with the Hyperwallet API to map recipients and assign currencies. This reduces manual errors. Finally, test with a small transaction to confirm routing, timing, and fees before scaling up payments. To finish, resolve any outstanding KYC or compliance flags the platform lists. This clears your account for live payouts. Then run a pilot payment, send a small amount to a test payee, verify the funds land in the correct account, and confirm fees and timing. If the transfer fails, check the transaction logs and error codes in the dashboard, verify bank details, and reattempt. If issues persist, contact Hyperwallet support with the transaction ID. That usually resolves routing or compliance problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.